So then of course we are left to ask, what does the left ventricle do and how does it differ from the right ventricle? Well, something that you'll notice about both of the ventricles is that they are responsible for pumping blood out of the heart. With the right ventricle, we were interested in trying to get that blood to the lungs, but with the left ventricle, we're now interested in taking that oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumping it out to the body. We're going to do this with a structure called the aorta, but something that's important to note here is that the left ventricle is by far the most muscular chamber found within the human heart. And as a result, contractions of the left ventricle are going to generate way more pressure than that of the right ventricle. The simple question here is why? And the answer is because it takes a lot more pressure to push blood out from the heart, which is in your thoracic cavity, out to all of your body tissues than it would to pump it to the lungs, which are actually sitting right next to the heart in the thoracic cavity. But let's talk a little bit more about that structure that receives blood from the left ventricle, the aorta. The aorta acts kind of similarly to the pulmonary artery, but for the left side of the heart. Where the pulmonary artery was responsible for directing deoxygenated blood to the lungs, the aorta is going to take our oxygenated blood and facilitate its passage to the systemic circulation where it can be brought to all of our body tissues.